Make a change by helping your car's engine perform efficiently with the new air filter from Filterheads.com.
To access the air filter, first open the hood. The air filter is located here. There are 4 fasteners securing the housing. Remove the fasteners. To disconnect the sensor, pull it straight back. Use a screwdriver to loosen the air hose. Pull the air hose back to disengage it with the filter housing. Tuck it if needed. Lift the housing. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AF7938 filter into the housing. Recommended replacement every 15,000 miles or 1 year. Refer to your vehicle owner's manual for specifications. Once the filter is fully flush with the edges, close the housing. Slide the air hose back onto the filter housing. Retighten the hose clamp. Reinstall the sensor clip. Re-engage the fasteners. Close the hood. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.